Look, if you're still trusting the green caps on your tires or the grim-faced mechanic in the waiting room, you're effectively destroying your bank account and your engine's longevity. Most car owners are hemorrhaging thousands of dollars on services that are not only unnecessary, but are actually categorized by manufacturers as harmful. Here is the fix. After 18 years of analyzing fuel system telemetry and stress testing every gas-saving hack that trends on social media, I've realized most are just industry propaganda designed to generate repair revenue. I'm exposing 11 gas-saving lies and service traps that are draining your wallet. And tip number 1 is the biggest of them all, a sophisticated identity theft of the vehicle itself that could land you in handcuffs. If you miss tip number 2, you'll never see tip number 1 coming. Number 17, the nitrogen tire inflation scam. You buy a new set of tires and the dealer points to those little green valve caps. They claim high-purity nitrogen stabilizes PSI and prevents inner-liner rot. It sounds scientific, but the scam is the implication that atmospheric air is insufficient. The air you're breathing right now is already 78% nitrogen. Paying $200 for nitrofill is paying for a marginal upgrade to roughly 93% purity. For a daily driver, the difference in thermal expansion and permeation rates is statistically zero. While nitrogen just wastes your money, the next service scam actively compromises your engine's internal lubrication. Number 16, the engine flush upsell. You're in for a $50 oil change when the mechanic shows you a sludgy oil cap. He insists on a $150 chemical flush to prevent catastrophic failure. This is a relic from the 1980s. Modern Group 3 and 4 synthetic oils are packed with high-quality detergents and dispersants that clean your engine as you drive. Unless you've exceeded a 20,000-mile drain interval, you don't have sludge. Major manufacturers like Honda and GM have issued technical service bulletins explicitly warning that these solvent-based flushes can damage main bearings and void your warranty. They're cleaning components that don't need it, just like they try to do with your fuel system. Number 15, the fuel injector cleaning service. The service advisor will claim carbon buildup is robbing your fuel economy and demand $189 for an induction service. This relies on the legacy of old port fuel injection systems. Most modern vehicles utilize gasoline direct injection, or GDI, where fuel is sprayed at thousands of PSI directly into the combustion chamber. These systems are essentially self-cleaning due to that extreme pressure. If you aren't experiencing a misfire or a check engine light for lean conditions, your injectors are fine. The only thing being cleaned is your wallet. But at least they pretend to work on these. The next scam involves phantom parts you'll never even see. Number 14, the phantom part replacement. This is the oldest trick in the book. You're told you need a new alternator, water pump, and serpentine belt for $1,200. In reality, they might only swap the $50 belt and spray the old parts with brake cleaner to make them look factory new. Since the noise stops, you assume the repair was legitimate. To prevent this, you must demand your takeoff parts. Tell the advisor, put all old components in a box in my trunk. A dishonest shop will panic because those parts are still bolted to your engine. If they claim they were already recycled, you've been had. This is mechanical theft, but the next one happens right under your nose in the waiting room. Number 13, the cabin air filter swap. The technician brings out a filthy leaf-filled filter. You're breathing mold, he says. He wants $60. Here's the reality. That filter costs $12 at any auto parts store and sits in a plastic housing behind your glove box. It takes 30 seconds to swap. Even worse, many shops use a prop filter, a permanently dirty filter they show every customer. You're looking at debris from a 2015 minivan while paying to replace a pristine filter in your 2022 sedan. Don't pay the convenience tax. Buy one on Amazon and do it yourself. This is a small-scale markup, but it's nothing compared to the psychological warfare used when buying a car. Number 12, the 4-square and payment packing. At the dealership, they'll use a 4-square sheet: trade-in, down payment, price, and monthly payment. It's a weapon designed to hide the total cost of risk. If you focus on the $450 monthly payment, they'll hide hidden profit, by extending your loan term to 84 months. They'll tell you that for that same $450, they threw in an extended warranty. It's not free. You're paying for it with the interest on the extra room they built into the quote. Always negotiate the out-the-door price, never the payment. And speaking of price padding, wait until you see the platinum stickers. Number 10. Market adjustment and forced add-ons. Dealers are shifting from market adjustments to forced protection packages. You'll see a $3,000 charge for VIN etching, door edge guards, and fabric protection. These are high-margin, low-value items. Fabric protection is often just a $10 can of Scotch Guard applied by a porter. The dealer's cost for these packages is usually under $50, but they charge $1,200. If they say it's already on the car, your only move is to walk. These add-ons offer zero residual value. But while these add cost, the next one robs you of actual protection. Number 8. Odometer Rollback Digital Edition. You think digital odometers can't be tampered with? Wrong. Using cheap OBD2 diagnostic tools, scammers can clock a car in seconds. They take a fleet vehicle with 150,000 miles and rewrite the EEPROM chip to show 75,000. It instantly adds $6,000 in value. Look for telltale wear. Is the brake pedal rubber worn to the metal? Is the steering wheel leather peeling? If the cabin looks tired but the miles are low, the data has been manipulated. If the miles are real, the title itself might be the lie. Number 7. Title washing. A car drowns in a Florida hurricane and gets a salvage title. Scammers buy it, dry it out, and move it to a state with lax titling laws to wash the brand off the document. It reappears as a clean blue title. 6 months later, your wiring harness undergoes electrolytic corrosion from salt water, and the car is a total loss. Only a rigorous history report that tracks movement between high-risk states can catch this. If a car has lived in 3 states in 6 months, it's a fugitive, not a traveler. Number 6. Curbstoning. This is an unlicensed dealer posing as a private seller on Facebook Marketplace. They buy auction junk that real dealers rejected, cars with frame damage or deployed SRS systems, and dump them in a Target parking lot. The red flag is title jumping. If the name on the title doesn't match the seller's ID, it's a felony. If the car dies 10 minutes later, you have no recourse, no shop, no lemon law, and usually a burner phone number that's already disconnected. Number 5. The extended warranty robocall. These aren't warranties, they are vehicle service contracts. They are packed with exclusionary clauses. If your transmission fails, they'll demand every single oil change receipt for the last 5 years. If you're missing one, they deny the claim due to improper maintenance. Legitimate coverage comes from the manufacturer, like Honda Care, not a cold call. If you buy from a robocall, you're buying a $3,000 piece of paper designed to never pay out. Number 4. Counterfeit airbags. This is the most dangerous scam on the list. Shady body shops replace deployed airbags with $200 counterfeits from overseas. They look identical, logos and all, but inside they're filled with sawdust or even shrapnel-producing explosives. In a crash, they either fail or act like a pipe bomb. They'll even install a resistor to trick the airbag control module into thinking the system is active. If you're buying a rebuilt car, you must have a specialist scan the SRS system to verify component authenticity. Number 3. The bandit tow truck. If a tow truck shows up unsolicited at an accident scene, do not let them hook your car. These bandits monitor police scanners. Once they have your vehicle, it's a hostage. They'll tow it to a private yard and hit you with gate fees, admin fees, and $300 a day storage. Your insurance will refuse to pay these predatory rates, leaving you with a $2,000 bill just to get your car back. Only use the truck dispatched by your insurance or AAA. Number 2. The parking lot white wax scam. A guy in a pickup offers to fix a dent in the supermarket parking lot for $200 cash. He applies a special curing compound, a thick white paste, and tells you not to wipe it off for 24 hours. The next day, you wipe it off to find it was just car wax. The dent is still there, and he's long gone. True paintless dent repair requires specialized rods and lighting, not a tub of turtle wax. Number 1. VIN cloning. This is the ultimate scam. Thieves steal a luxury SUV, find an identical clean version of that vehicle in another state, and copy its vehicle identification number. They print fake VIN plates and stickers for the stolen car. When you run the VIN, it comes back perfectly clean, because the real car is currently sitting in someone's driveway 500 miles away. Months after, when the system flags 2 registrations for the same number, the police will seize your car. You lose your money, your vehicle, and may face criminal charges for possession of stolen property. 17 scams, $30 billion stolen every year. You're now part of a high-standard community of owners who know how to protect their assets. Drop your worst scam story in the comments. Let's build a database that saves the next driver. But knowing the scams is half the battle. You need to know the tricks that actually work, the underground maintenance methods I've used on over 3,000 cars. One of them cost $12 and took my personal truck to 387,000 miles. Click the video on your screen right now to see the 17 legal tricks to make your car run forever. I'll see you there.